up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh. I think I'm pretty posh and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you're here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the joy that I have to bring to you this year. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want you to know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. Today's video is an apartment tour, and we went and saw the Encore at Boulevard 1. I honestly went on Google and I really like the place that I live now, so I just went on and typed Encore in Denver and that popped up. So I went and toured it, and it's honestly not that similar to this. I thought it was gonna be. I went and toured that. I tried my best to see more than one unit, but she said literally people are still living in everything. So I saw the guest unit, which is available for your people to rent if you have people coming to stay. And I think it's like 125 on the weekends and like 75 a night on the weekend or the weeks. There's that. So I only got to tour one unit. This is gonna be a real quick video again, but let's go ahead and take a look at the maps and see exactly where this place is at. What's up, guys? Like always, the red pin is exactly where these apartments are located, and right here they only have like 3 places listed, but they have a bunch of places that are actually here. There's like a sushi place right here, there's like a salad place over here, I think there's an ice cream bar coming, not 100% sure on that one, but I think so. And as you can see, the apartments are located on Lowry Boulevard. You're not far from Target if you need to do some shopping for clothes or general stuff or groceries. I will say that there is no parking here if you want to have friends over or anything like that. They literally have to park on the street, and there are so many signs that say no parking, and everybody was parking in the lanes. It was crazy. I had to drive down here and park in like the neighborhood. I literally parked in front of this townhouse. If you zoom out, you can see that there are a bunch of parks. This is a cemetery, but there are a bunch of parks. You were probably about 30 minutes from Denver for sure. Definitely a little bit of a drive if you want to be close to the city. This place is probably not going to be it. Now that you guys know exactly where this place is at, let's get straight into the apartment itself. This place was honestly really cozy. I liked it a lot. I liked the vibe. I don't like that there's no windows in the bedroom, but let's go take a look so you guys can see too. Right when you walk into this unit, you do have your bathroom, and it's a standard sized bathroom. This is the guest suite, like I said, but it is the exact same floor plan of the A2 one bedroom. You have a pretty big mirror in the bathroom and a standard size like vanity with storage for whatever it may be. And then you obviously have a toilet and a garden tub with your like shower. The backsplash goes almost all the way to the top. It's like missing that much of the backsplash, so I'm just like, where'd you put it? But that's okay. The bathroom is like a good size. You don't need a big bathroom in my opinion. Oh, something that I do like about the bathroom is that you have that extra storage above the toilet. And then the next thing that you guys see is a full-size washer and dryer. Okay, you guys already know, for every apartment that I go and look at, I really try my best not to like find community washers and dryers and no washers and dryers, just because I feel like it's really important to have your own. So I feel like you guys should have your own as well. So for the bedroom, even though there are no windows in this bedroom, it's still really nice because you have that like part of the wall that comes down, and you have some of the light coming in from the living area, but it feels so cozy. You have enough room in this bedroom. I think I said living area earlier. I'm not 100% sure, but you have enough room in this bedroom to put like a king or a queen size bed. If you have a king, you can probably not fit as much furniture around it, but with a queen, I think you could comfortably fit like 2 nightstands, a dresser, and maybe even a desk in this bedroom. I think you have a lot of room. And then also connected to the bedroom, you have your walk-in closet, which isn't that big, but it's pretty big. You have enough room to put a dresser inside of it if you prefer to have that.
and you have enough room to hang all of your clothes. And they have like the racks and stuff they're from the Container Store. She said exactly what they were, but I don't remember what she said, so they're from the Container Store. If you go and tour, you guys will hear that. Okay, so right outside of the bedroom, when you walk out, you have your kitchen, which is like straight across the wall. You have like white countertops with your ash colored, I don't know if they're ash chestnut type of colored cabinets, stainless steel appliances. And something that I really like about this apartment, I don't know if it was just this unit specifically or all of the units, but I like that the fridge is like on its own in the wall. It like has a place, and then there's more storage above the fridge. What do you guys think about that? It's like kind of different, but I like it. And from the kitchen, which honestly, I feel like I could get used to like just having a straight line, but at the same time, I want an island, so I'm probably not gonna live here. You walk from the kitchen to like this dining area. You have enough room to put a dining table if you have one, or a desk if you have that instead, if you like work from home like I do. And then you have your living room to the right. And honestly, I really like this living room. I like the layout. You could choose to probably have your living room with like the couch facing the wall and the windows on the left, or how they have it set up with the windows behind the couch and the TV on the like against the wall. You have enough room in this living area to put like a big rug. I have an 8x10 rug and it would definitely fit in there. Yeah, I mean, this place was pretty cute. I really like it. You do have like a patio door. I didn't go out there, but it's just a little balcony. And then you do also have a pretty like big not walk-in. You do also have like a pretty big coat closet inside of the living room. That is really nice. I like having a coat closet. I do, however, wish that it was closer to the front door, just because I feel like people take their shoes off at the front door. People might keep their shoes in there. People keep their coats in there to grab on their way out. What do you guys think? Let's get into the fees. Basics, application fee, $19 per person over the age of 18. Administrative fee, $200. Security deposit, $400, $800, or $1,200. Parking/storage, one space included. So parking is included at this place. Additional parking is $125 a month. Storage is $35 to $150 a month. We love your pets. Pet fee, $200 per pet, non-refundable. Pet deposit, $200 per pet, refundable. Pet rent, $30 per month per pet. Utilities and other charges, valet, trash, $40 a month. 7 days a week. $40 a month is a little bit high, but whatever. Pest control, $2 a month. Gas, electric, water, and sewer based on usage. If you guys are interested in checking them out, or if you have any questions, reach out to them here and check out their website. And I'll also have the website linked for you down below. Now we're just gonna go check out some of the amenities really quick. Before we do that though, I wanna say thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe, become a member of my squad so you don't miss out on anything that I upload. And I am going to be uploading a video on Saturday this time. I know that I've been slacking. I know that I've been sucking on my Saturday videos. And I honestly tried to film it yesterday, and it's this lash one, but the product, I'm not good at using it, so I have to redo it. I will see you guys on Saturday for that video. I promise I'll upload it, and I'll definitely see you on Tuesday next week for an apartment tour. Bye.